dictionary.
Research.
And
To learn how to research.
get the meaning of these words.
When you are in school.
That's right.
But you see, I saw the movie Lincoln, by the way. Beautiful, brilliant movie. The speeches of Lincoln were very simple. Simple English. That the government of the people, by the people, and for the people shall never perish from this earth.
So simple.
There is no complicated word there. Simple words, is it not? I love that movie, but I think we have that problem of communication. Even here in Hawaii, when I go to this restaurant, when I sense she is a Filipina ka, no? Yes, sir. Dagdagan mo naman yan, kako, kasi it's a restaurant, one of these panda restaurant, and she is a Filipina, and she knows Filipinos love. Dagdagan mo naman, be more generous, no? Something you do not do. You do not you do not say in English, can you put more? He will say, you want another order? The Filipino is very fond of saying, dagdagan mo naman. I do it. I would do it. I was in San Francisco. There was this Chinese, and he used to be in Cavite as a walk-in. They had a restaurant. From a distance, he recognized me as a Filipino. As I was in front of him, he said in Tagalog, gusto mo ng dagdagan, no? Magpapadagdag ka. You speak Filipino? Yes, I used to be in Cavite. Yes, can you put more? Dagdagan. I'm sure you do not do it because you've been away from the Philippines. You do not do it. When they serve you, they serve you. You do not say, can you put more? It's like...
I think we do that here too sometimes.
Really?
If it's a comfortable situation,
Yes, yes.
I'll say something like, oh, is that all? Can I have more?
Yes, yes.
But in a teasing way.
In a teasing way.
But I think we have to be careful who we're talking to.
Yes.
I would speak that way to a local.
And to a Filipino, probably.
No, to any local person, because it's the way of the local culture. Oh, is that all?
Yeah,
Can I have more? You know, like my style.
If that were an Englishman, you know what he would say?
There's something.
I haven't the faintest idea of what you're talking about. I haven't the faintest idea.
So you have to analyze before you say it.
Yes.
Before I say this,
Yes.
that the person is going to respond
Yes.
in the way that I
Yes.
expect him to.
What do you teach, by the way? Or what did you
Behavioral
use to teach?
sciences.
What?
Behavioral sciences.
Really? Behavioral sciences.
Psychology.
You better behave now, Professor.
Behavioral sciences will include also political science.
Yes.
There is the behavioral approach. But going back to what...
Actually, political science is very different to in terms of psychology, because my son is an
Yeah.
attorney and his major is political science.
Yes.
So we get into a very deep discussion.
Interesting.
To the point where I pull rank, and he doesn't care anymore. Without me
That
being
age, yeah, he doesn't
Mom,
care
you're wrong.
Yes, yes.
But going back to the communication, I think the ability to communicate, with different people is so wonderful.
Yes.
And especially so when they speak different languages. So in the Philippines, again, I feel very, I'm very amazed. It's very interesting to me that the children are able to speak really for
How many times have you visited the Philippines?
twice.
Really, since then? To the Ilocos region?
Oh,
To
yes.
Manila?
To Manila, and so
Ah.
yeah. But I still have to. I mean, I'm interested in my roots because when I grew up, my father was a Sakara.
Sakada?
But
Okay.
he, for him, it was.
We're going to be going.
sige.
Oh, you guys
No,
know,
yeah.
excuse me,
I'm sorry.
I've
Got an early morning.
Yes.
How is it that
Abefil, Aleli,
Lina.
Lina.
Yeah.
Lina, Abefil.
So now he has many
Yes.
Bayanis. Thank you.
How nice of you to be around.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you go
I
ahead and
enjoyed
write
it.
Huh?
I too, I enjoyed.
Yeah, thank you.
Yourself.
Yes, sure.
Probably it's time. You know that song of Andrea Bocelli, it's time to say goodbye. I had a very pleasant time.